So I'm sorry I look bummy, but I wanted to do this intro real quick. I already filmed the video. It was kind of like 2 styles in one, so y'all can see me do it like straight, and I did some curls in it. But I used this one with these little balls, and I haven't used that one in a long time. Now I see why, because I just didn't like how it came out. It made the hair really fuzzy looking, so I don't know. Whenever I did it before, I remember kind of liking it, so I don't know what happened with it. But this hair is from DorHair. This is the box, DOR hair, and it did come with a brush, and it's like a mini size, and it's like one of those detangling type brushes. Super cool. It did come with wig caps. It came with elastic. I did sew in an elastic in this wig, but it's not really tight, because at first when I did it, I did do it as a glueless, and it really didn't matter. You didn't have to glue it down the way I did it at first, but like to pull it up like this, and since I pulled up the sides, you need to put a little something something. So yeah, all the wig came in this bag. Let me see if it has the deets on here. So this is a free part 13 by 6 lace wig, and this wig is 22 inches. I believe it is straight. I'm not sure of the origin of the hair, like Brazilian, Peruvian, whatever. I will put it down below. But yeah, let's jump into the video. Hey dolls. Okay, so what I'm doing is starting off by parting off my bangs. I really kind of wanted to do a story time or like a topics time type video, but I don't know. I'm not really in the mood to get down and dirty today, so I think I'm gonna just do a regular voiceover for y'all. Let me know some topics that y'all want to talk about, whether it be like celebrity tea, YouTube tea. Let me know, because story times, it'd be hard for me to just really think about something that I think is interesting enough to talk about, which I'm sure I probably have a lot, but I don't know. So anyways, after I part my bangs down, I just braided them off, and then I'm using some mousse to kind of put my little ponytail up in the center. And this wig is not glued down at all. It's just on my head. So if you see it moving, that is why. So after I do that, I am going to straighten out the hair that I left out in the front to just flatten it out. And then I'm going to start cutting my bangs. With this hairstyle, I did curl the back of the hair while it was on my mannequin. And I just thought that I wanted to try these wand curls with the ball type of thing, but I was not feeling it, especially with the bang. I feel like it was much cuter when it was straight, but on the intro, I don't think it wasn't that cute. I think that was like my second day wearing it, so yeah, and I look busted at the house, but y'all know, y'all can make this look popping. And the gel that I used, it was not sticking. Like, I feel like that gel probably works better in the wintertime. But yeah, so anyways, I'm just cutting the bangs, and then I curl them, put some hairspray to kind of start laying them down, and then I'm going to keep going back in, cutting them more. You dolls have seen how I cut bangs before, but this is another bangs cutting video on cutting bangs on like a lace front wig or a frontal. It's kind of like the same, but I did do a video before on cutting bangs on a frontal. But yeah, with this one, I took a very thin strip of hair. I didn't even use much hair at all, and the bangs still came out quite full but wispy, like how I like them. So I think that was cool with this hair. So yeah, I'm just cutting and then kind of playing with it and seeing how it looks, and it's very like a bumped type of messy look. So I'm just using some mousse to kind of lay it down, because I like mine's a little bit more flat to my head and not so bumped out. So yeah, I'm just doing that, and then I'm using some scissors to clean it up and like sharpen up the little front area and also on the sides as well. Bangs is pretty easy to me now, but it's kind of like trial and error, and you have to just kind of play around with it to get it how you want it. And you have to know like how long you want your bangs or how short, if you want the edges tapered and stuff like that. So I kind of just play around with my what is it called, my razor, and also with my shears. So now I'm just spraying it some more with some hairspray and just really laying everything down. I love to use hairspray on my bangs because it just gives it a nice, more sleek, flatter type look, and that's the look I like. So yeah, this would be cute if you did a little top knot at the top. Don't leave that little piece hanging out. But, you know, you could do something like this. And I feel like it would have been kind of cute with the curls. And while I was looking at this video, after I fluffed it out, I think the curls were okay. It wasn't the worst, but, you know, you have two options here. So you can kind of see how it looks with the curls and the bangs. I feel like this style would have been cuter if I didn't have the bangs with the curls. I don't know. I just felt like it kind of clashed. But in a way, it's kind of cute, but very puppy dog-esque. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. But I kind of liked it better with the hair actually straightened. But this curl pattern actually wasn't that bad. But I just didn't really care for it with bangs. So you can see here, I kind of tucked the hair behind the ear a little bit, and I'm just showing you how this looks as well. And now we're going to do the straight version. So I did go back in and straighten out all the hair. I didn't wash it again because it wasn't like a super hold on it or anything. And here I am showing you that the hair does have tracks on the side, but there is a little bit of lace around the edge. So I still just pulled those tracks up to make it into a ponytail because I just felt like it would look better as a full pony instead of just a little pony in the middle. So I'm just sleeking that up, and then I'm going to do a ponytail, wrapping around a few rubber bands. And I did also go back in and add a scrunchie, which you will see once I start to finish styling the hair later on. But yeah, this is how it looks like on the mannequin. Baby girl, she is rocking it. Like, it's super cute on her. And that's how it looked on me at first. But, you know, it was a rough day. But I wanted to still film my intro for y'all. So, you know, y'all know I could do this thing. But yeah, so this will also be cute in like a little top knot. Just showing you, you know, a different kind of look that you can do with it. Nails is super popping in the video. They look really bright and cute. But yeah, so now I'm using the Gorilla Snot Glue gel to put this wig on with, and some of the hairspray from the Got To Be line. And like I said, this gel, I do like it for my wigs, but I didn't really care for it with this style, or maybe it's the season. I'm not sure. I feel like it probably works better in the wintertime. But yeah, so I just put that down, and I didn't use my blow dryer. I should have used my blow dryer because it did kind of make the wig shift. But yeah, I'm just showing you how I laid it down. And I kind of laid it on the sides, and then in the center, I did put a little bit of hairspray to kind of hold it down. If you can tell, my wig did kind of shift back because I can see my real baby hairs starting to slide out underneath it because the wig is pushing back. So definitely use your blow dryer, and I would say just use the Got To Be gel instead. But yeah, so now I'm just wrapping the hair around the band just to give me a nice little lifted, polished look. And then I'm just going to tie the hair down and go to bed. And then y'all know how it looked at the end in the morning. I just bumped my bangs and everything, flat ironed the hair again, and then I was good to go. So this is how it looks. Really cute. Spray with a little spray to hold that on there. And you good to go. I'm going to bed. So this is the next day. As you can see, the wig is shifting back. But yeah, y'all get the point. I had to get this video done. But yeah, it's popping. It's still cute. So y'all know what it is. Period. Thank y'all for watching. Love y'all.